What is the difference between augmented reality and virtual reality? What is augmented reality? Augmented reality is a perfect blend of the digital world and the physical elements to create an artificial environment. Apps which are developed using AR technology for mobile or desktop to blend digital components into the real world. The full form of AR is augmented reality. Example, AR technology helps to display score overlays on telecasted sports games and pop out 3D photos, text messages, and emails. What is virtual reality? Virtual reality is a computer-generated simulation of an alternate world or reality. It is used in 3D movies and video games. It helps to create simulations similar to the real world and immerse the viewer using computers and sensory devices like headsets and gloves. Apart from games and entertainment, virtual reality is also used for training, education, and science. The full form of VR is virtual reality. Virtual reality and augmented reality have exciting potential in the future of gaming, marketing, e-commerce, education, and many other fields. Both technologies are known for their enriched experience that brings together a virtual world and the real one with enhanced 3D visuals. Although it can be easy to mix up the two, there are some significant differences. Differences between AR and VR. The system augments the real-world scene. Completely immersive virtual environment. In AR, user always have a sense of presence in the real world. In VR, visual senses are under control of the system. AR is 25% virtual and 75% real. VR is 75% virtual and 25% real. This technology partially immerses the user into the action. This technology fully immerses the user into the action. AR requires upwards of 100 megabits per second bandwidth. VR requires at least a 50 megabits per second connection. No AR headset is needed. Some VR headset device is needed. With AR, end users are still in touch with the real world while interacting with virtual objects nearer to them. By using VR technology, VR user is isolated from the real world and immerses himself in a completely fictional world. It is used to enhance both real and virtual worlds. It is used to enhance fictional reality for the gaming world.